with the here at the car show right now, live event right now. So we're about to see all the rides. Let's do it. All these rides has the germs. Look at that engine, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this crazy looking engine. This is how you gotta do it. Hey, all my friends out there, look at this engine bay, y'all. Look at that. Look at that big turbo. You can't get no better than that. That's crazy. Look at that. Racing. Nice. Subaru. Another Eclipse. Another Evo. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that big muffler, bro. Look at that big exhaust, y'all. That looks crazy. Tesla, what? Playground, baby. That's practical. This is, y'all. Let me know. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That's gangster, baby. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, Pittsburgh style, man. Another Honda Civic. Nice Honda, yo. One of my favorites right there. Honda Civic, baby. Baby. Just like off Need for Speed, Payback. You know, Need for Speed Most Wanted, right? Same engine. That's BMW, y'all. That interior is crazy. This is mine, something like right here, y'all. Mazda Miata. The Miata. You gotta have it. You gotta put a hand in some Miatas right here, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. 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 That's what I'm talking about cheddar. Bad, mean, low. Look at the Shack wagon. Nice. Look at that. Is it a 5-speed? Maybe. Look how low that is, y'all. Look at that. Tucking in the 20s, tucking in the 18s, y'all. Excellent. My favorites, y'all. Here's one of my favorites. Subi. Look at it. WRX, y'all. Look at all that. Miss you know that, baby. This is how Pittsburgh boys do it. Subaru style, baby. Look at that. Look at those wheels are insane. Look at that crazy stance, dude. Interior's freaking crazy. Look at that. Oh, crazy. Look at that. Tegras, Acuras. Look at that. It's crazy. Love the interior, man. Diamond pleated. Excellent. Another one of my favorites, ladies and gentlemen. A little Acura RSX. Nice. Look at that. Look at that turn. Everybody needs to have a turbo in their life, ladies and germs. Understand? Look at that. Now that's the turbo. Wastegate. Look at that. That's how you get it, baby. Honda Acura. Nice. Crazy. Something we don't see every day. It's exotic. What is it? What is it, ladies and gentlemen? RX-8? Let me know. Love the color. Look at that. It's a turbo too. Twinner screws. Look how crazy the intake is. Crazy. Dual intakes. Look at that. Dual slopes. Just look at that. Look how crazy insane it is. Yet another Evo. One of my all-time favorites, Evos, baby. Look at that turbo. Bet you $100, ladies and gentlemen. This is a mean one. Monster. Look at this done it up good out here, man. Evos, baby. So I'm guessing this Evo's probably about 800, 9-inch probably at the wheels. Easy. Look at that Evo, y'all. Look, no wing. Even better. Even better. No wing, baby. Look at that. I wish some of my friends were here to see this, man. Look at this. That's how Evo Pezzo look. Inside and out, baby. So look at this. No body kit whatsoever. Plain Jane, baby. That's how you do it. Look at the wheels. Mr. Bukai, where you at, bro? EG hats, baby. This is the non-turbo one. Plus got a dog box, dog house, everything. That's in Civic, baby. Six to win. This engine will dominate and decimate everything. Can you believe it? Look, there's the exhaust right there, y'all. Just look how crazy this is, though. That's what I mean by Evos, baby. Nasty. That's nasty. Hey, guess how much horsepower this is rated for? Let me know in the comment section down below. Amazing looking machine, man. Amazing. Gotta love those Evos. This is a mean one, dog.
TA, crazy paint job.
Every kid's dream. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, a Firebird like this is every kid's dream. Mine's too. Guess what horsepower rating this is rated at? Let me know. That's super mean. Look at that.
My whole car's still head to toe, so I can drive it. I can tailgate, I can smash that around, all the same thing when I clean it, I can just look at the head down, drag and spray detail, and then extraction, put it in there. Sunray, the hot water, heat gun, always got it.
Meanest Firebird ever.
I did this, I did my buddy's own stuff, no cars,
Ooh. Booster Boy Cal. Hey, Booster, hey Cal, I think I found your twin. Booster Boy Cal's twin right here. Look at that. Neat. That's beautiful. Sorry. Hey, you know, Cal, Booster Boy Cal, there's a twin right there.
Yeah.
Because he got an orange and black on him.
Yeah.
That one makes over like what, 1,000 horsepower?
Yeah,
Excellent machine, man. Excellent. Well, look what I stumbled upon. SB2 Focus. S2. Mustang, baby. The interior. Look at that shit knob, y'all. Look how cool that is. Look, let's touch it. Focus. ST, baby. A supercharger, ladies and gentlemen? Little Civic, man. This is a rare supercharged Civic.
another one of my favorites, Pickup.
Oh, wow. Nice pickup. Nice, nice.
And also, ladies and gentlemen, comment down in the section down below and guess how much this pickup is rated for. Horsepower and manger.
I already heard this. This sounds smooth. Look at that. Whiskey bottle. Look at that. Moonshine bottle. Glass bottle. Nice touch.
Everything nice. Yeah.
Rock something like that. So let's stick. Nice. Nice little Dodge Dart. I fuck with it. With a heavy. Dreamcatcher. Jeez. Is it too? Pocket bottle. Pocket bottle. Nice bike. Nice. That's crazy. I ain't never seen it like this. Pro Charger. What? That's something mean right there, y'all. Very mean. That is super. One of mine.
I stumbled upon another Subaru, y'all. One of my all-time favorites.
Hey, what color is this, bro? Hey, please take care of this, man. Take care of this with Subaru, man. Definitely take care of it, bro.
Thank you.
Man,
It's a chore.
one more thing, man. Make sure it's nasty. Make sure it's loud. Keep it that way.
It is.
Yes.
Thank you.
What year is this?
05.
Definitely, sir. Definitely take care of this. You don't see too many nasty Subarus out here anymore.
Thank you.
Keep that alive, brother. It's Audi. This is
Would your boy be able to fit in some shit like this? Would I? My big ass? Come on now.
Look at the wheel. Look how insane that wheel is, y'all. Love the color. Excuse me.
That's
Lexus.
I was gonna make it.
Another WRX. Another one of my favorites. Oh. Nice. Another one of my favorites.
Well, y'all, I had fun at the car show. It was a cool event. I enjoyed it, and hope to see y'all next year.